All right, go for it.
Alrighty.
There you go.
We're moving. Hey guys, I'm Sophia, product manager here at Milwaukee, and today we're excited to introduce our new M18 FUEL 3/4 inch high torque impact wrench with 1 key. Now this is a massive step up in performance from our previous generation, now providing up to 2,000 foot-pounds of nut busting torque, really giving our users the confidence to take on the most demanding jobs. Now we know service technicians today typically rely on pneumatic to get those bigger jobs done, like servicing this front loader. Whether it's taking off the tire or replacing the cutting edge, we know they're tired of having to drag out a hose and rely on a compressor to get the job done. Now this is going to deliver that power to fully replace pneumatic in the shop, but on top of that, it's also going to deliver the fastest speed. So you're going to get 2,000 RPM and that best combination of power and speed to give you up to 40% faster than the competition. Now it's also going to be able to do up to 120 1.25" bolts on a single charge when paired with our M18 Forge XC80 battery. Now in addition to that, we also have our extended Anvil, and this is going to be the same performance story, up to 2,000 foot-pounds of nut busting torque and that fastest removal speed. It's also going to feature our exclusive lug nut snug mode, shown by the tire icon on our new mode select interface. And in this mode, it's going to automatically shut off before you hit 450 foot-pounds to ensure you're not over torquing your lug nuts. You're also going to get up to about 10 tires per charge or 100 lug nuts on a single charge with our Forge XC80. So like I said, this massive performance increase took a complete ground up redesign. So starting with the motor, this is a completely new design with our motor with 65% more copper. Additionally, our mechanism is 50% larger than the previous generation, really giving us that extra power. And then tied together with our new electronics package, we were able to push our thermal limits further than we ever have before. Now all of that tied together is how we were able to achieve that 2,000 foot-pounds and that fastest removal speed. But we didn't stop there. We knew this tool was also going to be put in the most extreme environments. So we have right here our battery isolator, similar to what we have on our 1/2 inch high torque and our 1 inch solutions, really designed to maintain a secure connection between that tool and the battery. And then our potted electronics really want to make sure that this tool would live up to our users' demand. Now, like I said, this is going to be able to replace pneumatic in the shop. Now, these are both going to be available in Q4 of this year, and we're excited to try them out.